And congratulations, you made it through. You now know how to edit with desktop, which is very fun. Obviously, you've just gone through that one time probably and followed along. Now, editing takes a lot of repetition to understand where things are. You'll probably forget something and need to problem solve and backward engineer, go back through what were the problems, go through the lectures we went to find a solution. What I would suggest you do now is exactly the same style of video that I've done. So this is the end of section task. Exactly the same style video I've done, sat there and then talking about a topic and get yourself B-roll, etc. I would do exactly the same, but with your own footage. Now to do that, you can film yourself just on your phone like this, presenting, talking about a topic. If you want to grab yourself any other footage to use, you can just simply search YouTube downloader on Google and you can go and find a YouTube video with some shots in or something to download it, rip it from YouTube and use those shots. You can do the same with music from YouTube and also sound effects and things. You're only using this for your own personal project to practice with, so it is not a copyright issue unless you were able to post this online somewhere. So you can do that for your own practice. Or you could go to somewhere like storyblocks.com I like to use, or Pixabay is free. Pixabay, you can get yourself some stock copyright-free stock footage to download and use, and you can do the same thing in YouTube in the audio library. There's music in YouTube's own audio library that's free to use and sound effects in there. So in order to really make sure you understand how to do this, please go ahead and redo this project again, and then after that I would do other projects like different styles of videos. Perhaps now you're going to do a commercial style video only using stock footage and do a voiceover to it, product, that kind of thing, and then start working towards what it is your goal and purpose is. If you're making YouTube videos, vlogs, then start making some of those. If you want to work for a company and do product videos, then start making some of those and getting the habit of editing with CapCut and using the right animations, text, etc. Go through with your own footage, exactly the same layout, add in the footage, cut it together, add text, animations, effects, just like we did with what it is you need for your own project. Okay, that was the end of editing with desktop. Phil next is going to show you how to edit with the mobile app. So go and join him over on the next lecture.